Hey, and good morning, everyone. I wanted to show you something that I've been making since my friend gave me the kefir grains. But this is kefir, and I am about to get some new kefir going. So I wanted to show you. This has been in this jar on my counter for 2 days now, and I always mark, I don't know if you can see, I take a little piece of tape and mark the date that I started. And so what I'm going to do is strain the kefir. I like to do that in a glass bowl with just a sieve, plastic sieve. And as you can see, that's why I like to use a big bowl, so I can just dump it all out. I'm not going to reuse this jar. Sometimes I do reuse the jar because if you keep it sealed, like with one of these lids or one of the mason jar lids that lock down tight, then you won't have any problems with using this jar again with all the kefir grains in there and the bacteria. But I'm not going to reuse this. I'm going to get a fresh one. And so as this kefir that's ready to go, I just take the wooden spoon and move it around so that, as you can see, it's draining out. And I have left this for a couple days because I wanted to get enough grains to freeze. I'm doing this in the morning. I'm sorry, my hair looks kind of a mess, but I usually take care of the kefir in the morning when I'm making my coffee. It's just the time of day that I've chosen to pay attention to it. The reason that I'm using this plastic sieve is, for one thing, kefir shouldn't touch metal. It can touch stainless steel, but you don't want it to interact with the metal because it can harm the grains. And as you can see right here, that's the grains, that's the kefir grains. And I'm just going to take a spoonful, about a tablespoonful, and then put it into the clean jar. And then I have enough to freeze. So I'm just going to use plastic container. You can use Ziploc bag. You can use a freezer safe glass jar. That would be enough to get my kefir started again. So if you're planning on going on vacation, or you just have enough grains that you can freeze, then you just put it in a container like that. I'll have to get the lid later. It's way in the back of the drawer. So you put it in a container, make sure you mark it, what it is. And then put it in the freezer and it'll be ready for you when you need it. So I'm going to take this kefir that good stuff off of there. And I'm just going to set this off to the side for now. I'm going to put it in the fridge. But that's ready to go. So now what I do is I get my whole milk, and this is a local dairy, and I know it's high quality dairy, whole fat milk, and I'm just going to pour about 2 cups into here. That might be a little more than 2 cups, but it's okay. Then I get my lid. Tape, because I like to mark the top with the date. That way I know for sure when I started this. It usually takes a day or two, 24 hours, no more than 48 hours. And I'm going to put it right here on my counter. I have my other jars here with stuff like my whey protein, pecans, some shredded coconut, chia seeds. Those are things that I put into my morning oats flaxseed meal. So I got my new kefir started, and let me just pause this for a second. Okay, I'm back. I have my funnel. I was looking for a bigger jar. I don't have any that are clean. So I just pour the kefir into the jars. And it'll be ready to go. I like to drink it cold, but you can drink it right now. I'll try a little bit now, so it looks so good. Even when it's not cold, it tastes good. It's kind of like a yogurty drink, but the health benefits that I have found that are amazing. Number one, my blood sugar has evened out more, so I don't have the spikes that I was having before. Also, kefir is known as nature's Prozac, and basically what that means is your gut microbiome, or the bacteria in your gut, can affect your decision making and your mood levels. Also, we know that ultra processed foods, anything that's packaged, has food coloring, has flavorings. Basically, you open the bag and eat it, or put it in the microwave and then eat it. Those kind of things that the grocery store is filled with, they actually harm the bacteria in your gut. So this, if you do eat ultra processed foods, then this could help. But you know what I'd recommend is not eating them. But this will help you to keep that healthy gut microbiome. There's so many more benefits. I'll be sharing more about kefir and what I've learned over the short period of time that I've been making it, and some other things that I make with it. Hope you enjoy.